Welcome to this video on the disadvantages of ChatGPT. As one of the most advanced natural language processing (NLP) models available today, ChatGPT has shown tremendous capabilities in generating human-like text, answering questions and even able to perform language translation. However, as with any technology, it also has its limitations and drawbacks. In this video, we'll be discussing some of the most notable limitations and drawbacks of using the ChatGPT model in more detail. We'll be covering the following topics: lack of interpretability, lack of diversity, ethical concerns, high computational cost, limitations in understanding context and common sense. One of the major disadvantages of ChatGPT is its lack of interpretability. Since the model is based on a neural network architecture, it's difficult to understand how the model is making its predictions and what the underlying reasoning behind it is. This can make it challenging to identify and correct errors in the model's output. Additionally, lack of interpretability also makes it difficult to use ChatGPT in regulated industries such as healthcare or finance, where explainability is a must. Another disadvantage of ChatGPT is its lack of diversity in the generated text. The model is trained on a large dataset of text, but this dataset may not be representative of all possible human languages, cultures, and experiences. This can lead to generated text that is biased or uninformed. For example, the model may generate text that is gender-biased or perpetuates stereotypes. Additionally, the model may have difficulty understanding languages and dialects that are not well represented in the training dataset. There are also ethical concerns associated with the use of ChatGPT. For example, the model has been used to generate fake news and deepfake videos, which can be used to spread misinformation. Additionally, the model's ability to generate human-like text raises concerns about privacy and consent when it's used to create chatbots or virtual assistants, especially when the model is used to generate text that is intended to be perceived as written by a human. Furthermore, the model's ability to generate large amount of text can be used for malicious intent such as impersonation, phishing and so on. Finally, ChatGPT requires a significant amount of computational resources to train and run. This can be a disadvantage for individuals or organizations that do not have access to powerful hardware. Additionally, the large amount of energy consumption of running such models raises concerns about sustainability and environmental impact. Furthermore, the cost of training and maintaining such models can be prohibitively expensive for small and medium-sized organizations. Limitations in understanding context and common sense. ChatGPT is not capable of understanding context and common sense like humans do. It can generate text that sounds coherent and fluent, but the context and meaning behind the text may not be accurate. Additionally, the model might not be able to understand sarcasm or irony, which can lead to inappropriate or incorrect responses. In conclusion, while ChatGPT is a powerful model with many potential applications, it also has several limitations and drawbacks. These include lack of interpretability, lack of diversity, ethical concerns, high computational cost and limitations in understanding context and common sense. It is important to be aware of these limitations and to use the model responsibly. Additionally, research is ongoing to improve the model's interpretability, diversity and common sense understanding.